which means the right gear is critical. So critical, in fact, that competitive boomerang throwers don't actually buy their gear off the shelf.
So what's unique about our sport is that we actually make the equipment that we use in competition. So many of my boomerangs
and it's gone.
Version of the Boomerang. It's much thinner now. The original version was 7mm, this one is 4mm. I smoothed a little bit more the leading edge, and I didn't use any smooth at all on the trailing edge, so probably it's gonna have a different behavior for the best, I hope. So the behavior now is much better. I'm pretty sure that I'm the one that is throwing it wrong. So I'll try a few more times and see if I can get the correct technique. Unfortunately, I was not able to throw the boomerang and make it come back to the exact same point where I was throwing it from. I think that's mainly because of two reasons. The first one being there's not a lot of wind today, and the second one, it's probably because I'm rubbish at throwing it. Design wise, I don't know if I would change much. Maybe smooth some edges more, but I don't even know what I would be changing. In any case, I'll try and come back in a day with a bit more wind and see if it makes a difference. But for now, I'll just call it a success. Also, my arm is really hurting. Thanks for watching.